The Culinary Arts Technology program is hands-on lab instruction by a chef instructor in a commercial kitchen and is offered at Copiah-Lincoln Community College on the Wesson campus. The program provides a solid foundation in the methods and science of cooking through exposure to classical, American, and international cuisine, as well as the art of baking and pastries. Special emphasis is placed on culinary tools, equipment, techniques, and specialty ingredients. After all courses are completed, students may be awarded a 1-year career certificate in culinary arts, a 2-year technical certificate in culinary arts, or an Associate of Applied Science degree in culinary arts. Students completing the program will also be eligible to earn nationally accredited food safety certification from the National Restaurant Association ServSafe. Visit www.colin.edu/culinary for more information and to apply now.